Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and yes, the camera is spinning. Why? Because I've built a spinning plate, so let me show you. So here are all the electrical components that I'm gonna be using for this project. I have an Arduino Nano over here to control all the applications that is needed, a stepper motor to rotate the plate, a stepper motor driver, switches, some buttons, a power jacks, power connectors, some Molex connectors, a potentiometer to control the speed of the spin, some breadboard, of course, a breadboard, and some wires connected together, a capacitor, a buzzer, LEDs, some of the LEDs over here, and a resistor, of course. So first, let's put all the electronics component over here and solder them together.
Celebrate everything you've done for me.
So now I have most of my circuit board done, most of the breadboard done. I have two LEDs over here and a switch, dual switch to control them. So let's check them and show you how they work. Right, left, right, left, right, left.
Cause I know just what it needs. You're addicted to yourself. Just don't shut me out. If you ever need me, don't give me a shout. Don't tell me what to do, or I've learned to forget you. If you tell me what to do,
Microphone.
I've been running in circles, but we're all getting paid. I've been trying my hardest, but we're all getting paid. You can call it what you want, but I think it's a little sad. It's really not that simple, but I've given you the gist. Keep on coming, keep coming to us.
So as you see, this controls the direction, right or left, and this one controls the speed. Each sound like this is a degree of speed on the spinning plate. So let's test it. Mode number 1, and the gear will stop moving. Then let's stop mode number 1, mode number 1. Mode number 2 will spin 10 degrees on the spinning plate. Let's change the speed, full speed. Let's decrease the speed, that's minimum speed. As you see, it's very slow. Now it's higher, 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 and higher. Full speed. Let's change direction. Okay. Let's put the cap on and test it with the cap. Let's put an object on it.